What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So, a while back, we took a look at the Chime Credit Builder Card, which is a really unique financial product that allows you to build your credit without ever taking on debt. And while the features and benefits of using any credit or debit card product for that matter are definitely the most important factor, if you are anything like me, then you might care about what your card looks like for whatever reason. So, in today's video, let's briefly brush up on what this card actually is, and then talk about how you can get this limited edition metal Chime credit builder card so that you can flex on your friends and build your credit in the process. Alright, let's jump right into it. So, like I said, we will be brushing up on what the Credit Builder Card is, but if you did not see my original review on this product, then I highly recommend that you check that out, because in this video, I specifically want to talk about this new limited edition version and how you can get it. Now, I'm also fully aware that the material that a card is made out of, or what it looks like, means absolutely nothing, and I think that most of us can agree on that. However, if you are a credit card junkie like myself, then you also probably care about what your credit or debit cards look like for whatever reason. And honestly, I know it's a little odd, but there is nothing wrong with that. If something as simple as a metal credit card gets you excited about building your credit score and personal finance in general, then personally, I think that is a wonderful, wonderful thing. Okay, so before we talk about how you can get this new limited edition product, what is the Credit Builder Card and how does it really work? Well, again, I don't want to get into the nitty-gritty too much because it is a little bit confusing, but essentially, this card allows you to move money from your regular Chime spending account onto this card, and then when you spend money using your Credit Builder Card, that is going to be reported to the credit bureaus as an on-time payment, and therefore will help build your credit score. So the easiest way to explain it is that it's basically a prepaid credit card, meaning you transfer money beforehand and then just spend money like you would with a regular debit card. Now, if you're still a little bit confused about the difference between the regular Chime debit card and this product, then I have made a video comparing those two products and explaining the difference, because I know a lot of people do get a little bit confused about what exactly is different about these two cards and how it works. So I'll be sure to link to all of those helpful videos down in the description below, but the reason that you probably are here today is that you want to know how to get this limited edition metal card. Well, if we head over to Chime's website, they actually have an entire page detailing everything that you need to know about this product and, more importantly, how you can get it. So as you can see, this card has that metallic emerald green finish and, of course, the premium metal feel and weight that we all love. So if you've had a card like the Apple credit card or one of the higher-end American Express cards, then this one is probably going to be very similar to that as far as look and feel are concerned. Okay, so in order to get this, you do have to jump through some really random hoops, which is a little bit odd, but I guess that's part of the fun and what makes this a limited edition card. So first, you will need to be a Chime member. So if you have not yet signed up for a regular Chime account, which is basically a checking account, then there is a link down in the description below where you can sign up, and that's going to open up the standard Chime spending account, which again is essentially a checking account. Then, once you've opened that product, you'll want to go ahead and sign up for the Credit Builder Card, which is basically an extension of your Chime spending account, and this is the product that allows you to build credit without ever taking on any debt. So at this point, you have the Chime Spending Debit Card, which is the white plastic card, and you also have the Chime Credit Builder Card, which is the green plastic card that is essentially a prepaid credit card. So from here, in order to get the metal version of the Credit Builder Card, you have to complete what they call the Metal Card Challenge, and essentially that involves making 40 qualifying purchases within 60 days of receiving an invite to this limited edition card. Now, 40 transactions in 60 days probably sounds like a lot, and it absolutely is, and I want to make it crystal clear right now that just going out and spending stupid amounts of money on things that you do not need just to get a metal credit card is absolutely ridiculous. Look, I like a premium card just as much as the next guy, but spending money irresponsibly just to get a premium card honestly defeats the whole purpose of getting a product like this in the first place, which is to improve your personal finances and hopefully help fix some of those bad spending habits. All of that being said, thankfully a qualifying transaction is really any transaction that is at least $1 or more on your Credit Builder Card. So that could be something as simple as a cup of coffee, buying groceries, maybe going out to eat, paying paying for a parking meter, or any number of other things. Now, you are limited to making just 5 of these qualifying transactions per day, but even at that high rate, you'll still hit that 40 transaction requirement in just 8 days. But again, you have 60 days to actually complete these 40 transactions, which means it's pretty easy to hit that 40 transaction requirements since basically every transaction counts. Now, a few things I want to clarify here. First of all, you obviously need to make those transactions on your Chime credit builder card in order for them to count, so just make sure that you are using that and not the regular Chime debit card. And the second thing is that you do need to be invited to this metal card challenge via email. Now, there's not a whole lot of information online as to how to get invited, but just as a regular credit builder customer, I did get an email basically right when I signed up. So, at least in my experience, it sounds like basically everyone has the option to sign up for this challenge, as long as you have the regular credit builder card, which you'll need anyways. So to simplify all of that into one sentence, step 1 is to open a Chime spending account, step 2 is to sign up for the Chime credit builder card, and step 3 is to make 40 qualifying transactions on your credit builder card within 60 days of receiving your email invite. So at the end of the day, is all of this a little bit ridiculous and unnecessary? Yes, it absolutely is, and frankly, if you are doing this just to get a metal credit card, then it would be a lot easier to just sign up for something like the Apple credit card, which is completely free, it's milled out of titanium, and will certainly scratch the itch as far as your need for a metal credit card. However, if you're already a Chime customer, or maybe you already have the credit builder card, this might be a fun challenge to see if you can complete with your regular everyday transactions, and also bear in mind that by participating in this challenge, you are going to help build your credit because you're making these transactions on your credit builder card, meaning it will be counted as an on-time payment, which is really good for your credit score and credit history. So yeah, I completely agree that this is all a little bit excessive just to get a metal credit card, especially one that doesn't really give you any benefits beyond helping you build your credit without debt. But it is certainly unique, and if you're a credit card junkie and you're really into the limited edition lifestyle, then this might definitely be worth checking out. Now again, if you do want more clarification on what the credit builder card actually is and how it all works and how it can help you build your credit score, then definitely check out the link down in the description below for the full review on this product. I'd also love to know what you think of this new limited edition Chime credit builder card down in the comment section below, and whether or not you plan on taking part in this metal card challenge. As always, if you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, the easiest way to do that is actually checking out some of my favorite financial tools down in the description below, many of which will give you free money when you sign up, which we always love. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future, and of course, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch my video. I really do appreciate that so much. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.